Hello, welcome guys. I'm going to demonstrate just a simple feature right here on the actions on how you can make this action to appear here without having to see this drop down right there. There's a feature under the actions called, I think it's called promoted. It's an area. So there's an area called promoted so that those icons appear at the top right here where I'm pointing. So we need to promote the actions that we have. Fortunately or unfortunately, we only have one action here. So how you promote an action, you invoke the area promoted, and then inside here you put the action ref, which is the reference of your action. Let's call it post, and then we need to refer it by the name right here. So of course it won't accept the same name, so we'll have to call it post. So by putting it as that parameter as a post, it means you are referring to this action, and then you are telling AL that now I need this action to be promoted in this place. So this is how you can just pull an action at the top there. Let's publish and see if we are actually doing something or just a story. So it was on the card, the open collection. You can see the posts is up here. Then I'm going to have another action and then demonstrate how we can group these things. So how you create an action? There's an T action is a snippet for creating an action. Let's call it reverse to reverse the transaction, and then we can have an image as a property of this action, and then we call it reverse. Okay, let's call reverse lines, and then under our promoted, let's have something interesting called groups. We also have groups inside promoted, and what you can see right here, these are the inbuilt groups. You can have as many as you want. It goes up to number 20. It starts from number 3. It starts from category number 4, sorry. The first 3 are for new, process, and report. So I'm going to have one for process. Let's have one for process here. Category process. And then we can have our action ref. And then our action ref will be reverse. Let's have it as R, and then we put it as reverse. Okay, reverse. So let's publish and see whether we'll see the difference between this and this. And then we will try something else too. Okay, whatever we are doing here, these are properties of the AL pages. We are doing on the you see the earlier versions of AL, there was a way we were doing them, but this current version, you have a liberty of using the promoted in a different way. Otherwise, if we were to use what we were using in the past, because in the past we would go to the action, for instance this, and then we put promoted to be true, and then promoted category, you'd have put it as the category you want, maybe category number maybe new, or rather report. You'd have done that, but now things have changed and there's a way these things are done at the moment. So at the moment is what we've already shown here. So we've done this addition of this action ref right here inside the group called process. Let's see how it appears. Okay, I'll close it and then open it again. Okay, you can see that we have a group here called home, and then we have our action here, which is outside. It's just loitering outside there. It has nothing to fear, living alone. Anyway, so this home comes from this action. It's just this action. So let's have another action. Let's call it maybe report, or rather receipt. So this is when you want to issue a receipt of what you've collected to the farmer. Then we will just use an image for the report. Of course, we'll come back and do the logic. I just want to demonstrate the actions and the promotion of the actions. Let's see if we can have another area here. Yeah, we can have another area for reporting, and then inside the reporting you can have our action ref. You can just have the action. Sorry, we can bring in our action. Okay. Sorry. And then, and in this promoted, I want to have this action as promoted, but now I'll just create another category or another group called maybe category reports. Then I'm going to put my reports, or rather report here, receipt. And then let me publish and see if there's any form of magic. Okay, so you can see this is labeled as reports. This one is home and this one is post. I want to put this post under the process, or rather inside the process. What I'll do, I'll just pull it up here and then put it inside there. Maybe do some formatting for some decency, and then publish. It won't take time, so we're just going to be done. Like, okay, let's see what has happened. So you can see you have two groups here. You have home, and then you have the reports. The reports, there's only one receipt. You can see the icon, and for the process you can see the icons.